back to another weekly vlog. I'm so excited to have you guys here. I'm excited for this week because this week is actually going to be like a full week. Right now it's Monday morning. I'm gonna refresh and get ready for the day. I'm in my cute little like pink Skims outfit. Let me show you. See if you can see it in the mirror. Like, are you kidding? Wait, look. Cute pink Skims top, the cargo pink sweatpants that are a little too big for me because I am normally a size small, but in White Fox I get my sweatpants like a size large because I like them oversized. Like I like it when it gives you a little like snatched waist. These I got a medium because I was like, I don't know why, I feel like I shouldn't go a large, I should go medium. And honestly, like even the medium is a little bit too big. So I feel like you're safe if you're gonna order these cargo sweatpants. I feel like you're safe to stick true to size and they are gonna fit a little oversized as well. I love them. I think these are literally the cutest sweatpants. I think this is such a cute little pink fit. I don't know why, I just feel like happiest in the color pink. So anytime I can wear pink, I am stoked about it. In order to give you the tea on my morning, I have to give you the tea on last night. So last night I was catching up on some YouTube videos that, you know, I love watching YouTube. I love my YouTube girlies. I hadn't watched some of like last week's videos. So I was like, you know what, like I'm gonna catch up on what I missed. And so I was watching Samantha Nicole. She has great videos, by the way. In her video last night, she was saying that when she wakes up, she'll like immediately go on her phone and then she starts scrolling and then it's like she'll blink and it's like 2 hours later. And I was like, okay, that's so relatable, especially as somebody who like works in social media, which then leads you down a trail to this and this and this, and then 2 hours have gone by, you haven't even woken yourself up. At least that's how it works for me. I was like, you know what? Tomorrow morning I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try to not go on my phone for the first 30 minutes because that's what she was saying that she wanted to do. So she started like not going on her phone for the first 30 minutes of the day. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try that in the morning because I feel like I clock in the second I wake up to the second I go to bed. Like I'm just always on work mode, especially when you don't like actually go to a place. So I tried it this morning and mentally I felt so good for the first like 30 minutes. I'm like, wow, I got so much more done than I would have if I sat there. Shout out to my girl Samantha for encouraging that in my day because so far I love it. So yeah, I'm feeling really good. It's crazy the difference that not going on your phone makes. Like you don't even realize it until you do it and then you're like, okay, wait. That is a completely different morning routine. I feel like it's so important to take time in your morning to set your intentions for the day because if you don't, I feel like anything can just kind of like happen throughout the day. And if we've learned anything, then when I did like a huge January like intention setting and like that whole thing, like I learned that setting your intentions really makes the world of difference. I'm gonna finish my hair. I'm actually filming a everyday makeup tutorial for my YouTube channel for Tutorial Tuesday, so that will already be up by the time this video is up, so I'll link it up here. Okay, I just finished filming my everyday makeup tutorial for last Tuesday. It's already up. Go check it out. Go watch it. I really like how this makeup turned out. It's just like a super cute everyday base tutorial, kind of pink, more pink oriented because my outfit is all pink today. I had a great time doing that. I also went live on TikTok while I was doing my hair. So be sure to check me out on TikTok if you wanna be a part of the lives. The getting ready portion of the day is done. It's Keen's and I in the room right now. I'm about to start editing a tutorial video right now. This is kind of the setup. I have the hiccups and they won't go away and I always have the most violent hiccups. So we're just kind of like finishing up everything that we need to do for the day. This video that I'm editing now is going up tomorrow and then I just have to do like edit the whole video, edit the pictures, do the thumbnail, do the whole deal. You know what I mean? The whole deal. I also wanted to update my calendar. I cannot believe it's March. What is that about?
A little hiccups over there, huh?
I know. In my calendar, it has like a this week's goals and like this week's to-do list page that kind of just like covers it for the whole week. So I'm just gonna make kind of like a this week's goals to set some intentions for this week so that I know that I'm staying on track with everything. Okay, now that I've updated my calendar.
Hey gang! Haven't seen you guys in a minute, so I had to come set up.
Show them your new sweater.
Oh.
Give them a little haul. You guys, Keenan did a little shopping.
This is the new sweat. New sweater, this is it. And the heavyweight, it's a crop heavyweight. It's supposed to be cropped right here, which is perfect.
And I feel like it's the perfect, like, color.
And this belt from Timberland, new belt. Another belt. Another Tim belt. And then Alyssa's favorite color.
Pink.
It's like a very lightweight.
Very beachy summer
vibe. It's nice. Then I got this orange. It's like a crew neck.
Very
all
pretty.
From Zara, by the way.
Oh yeah, this is a Zara haul. Zara men's fashion haul.
My new puffer.
I think that's so cool.
I like the matte, it's like matte gray.
That is very cool.
I have a shirt in the closet, which is also pretty cool, but you guys will probably see it, you know, I don't want to be showing you guys.
Oh my gosh. These makeups are crazy. I love you. I think that gray sweater he's wearing right now is so hot.
Game changer.
It's very cool. Anyway, I just finished doing this, updating this, staying aligned with our goals, our intentions for the week. And now I'm going to edit this YouTube video, so I will see you guys in a little.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you like to give it yourself.
You guys, I just unboxed a little bit of PR and I got eye masks, and like these things are so nice. I feel like this one might be slipping down a little. Stay up there, girl. You gotta do some work for me. I've got dark eye bags lately. First of all, whenever a brand sends a handwritten card, I keep all of them. I think it is the coolest thing ever. I got some PR from Image Skincare. These are the eye masks I'm wearing right now, and they're lovely. And then they also sent their sheer pink lip enhancement complex. Also got some makeup from Jones Road. So I got their cool gloss and a really cool, like, it's sparkly. It is sparkly. I can't wait to wear it on a night out. And then I also got their mascara. So thank you so much to Jones Road and Image Skincare. Right now, just to show you more the content creator side of it, I'm taking pictures of the PR to put on my story just to say thank you to the brands and everything.
You might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging or painful,
Hi gang.
a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it.
Okay, and then once I have finished taking all of the photos, I usually organize it so that I don't have just like a bunch of boxes or a bunch of just like makeup and stuff. I organize it into sections so I want to film reviews on throughout the week. I'm getting ready to go to bed, but there's two things that I really want to do tonight. One of them is dermaplane my face, and the second one is to put my hair in heatless curls for the night. I want to do the heatless curls literally every night, but I either get too tired to put them in or I forget to do it. I say we start with dermaplaning. I got a pack of these like dermaplaning knives at Ulta, and I love them. I feel like they're the best for dermaplaning. No sneak peeks here.
You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
I feel like there's so much coming off my face right now. I'm also gonna try to clean up my eyebrows too in a little bit. I hope you guys know I am about to go absolutely in on these eyebrows. Like, I am going in on these babies. I think I actually may have shaved a little bit too much off the tail of this eyebrow, so hopefully that grows back kind of quick. And then I always throw these away after one use just for like sanitary reasoning. That feels so smooth and good. I'm so happy I did that. Dermaplaning is just one of those like monthly things now. I'm like every month I'm like, now's the time. And then for like literally a few weeks after I do it, I'm like obsessed with how my makeup looks because it looks flawless. And I'm just gonna like put my skincare on to make sure that my skin is like hydrated and doesn't get irritated. The last few days we've been going to the gym, and then after the workout sitting in the sauna, and I honestly love it because like the chances that there is another person in there with me is usually so slim. So it's kind of like having a private little sauna moment. I honestly want to bring a book in there once and see if that's the vibe. Like I feel like I used to read a lot, and like every once in a while I will finish a book, but like I want to make it like a consistent thing. I'm gonna try the heatless curls now. I found that a way that makes them look really good is using this JVN air dry cream, and apparently it won't like fall when you wear it. And I actually used it for waist management the night before I did this routine, and my curls lasted all day, like outside and in the craziness of Arizona waist management. This always looks so crazy. But if it doesn't put on heat damage and I don't have to spend a long time curling my hair and it keeps my hair healthy, I am honestly so for it. Okay, the next side. This is what it looks like when I go to bed. I wanted to end this vlog here. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking with me. I have some really fun plans this weekend, so definitely stick around for next Thursday's vlog. It should be super fun. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. I would love to chat with you guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye, beauties.